Hello guys, welcome back. What we are going to learn today is about leverage. Like the thing Robert Kiyosaki says before, use the debt in your what? You can search for it and find that. The Robert Kiyosaki says that use the debt to make you profit. Okay, how we can use the debt? Let's go and see the thing we have here. For example, we earn $50 and all the money we have is $100 to buy one. $105 to buy. Let's go here. I delete this for now. Hide this. I'm going to tell you about this, but not for now. Let me just hide it. We have $100 we buy and sell. And let's say we make $50 profit by reducing here, we make $38 profit. But what leverage do? Let's create let's create another tab and call it, what we call it? We call it leverage. Leverage. What leverage do? Leverage is going to make your money bigger. What I mean, for example, let's see we have the leverage 10. What it make? It make our profit 10 times bigger. What? Yes, you hear it right. It make our profit 10 times bigger than the real one. It make our 100 to make 380 profit. How it's doing something like this? It's like we are borrowing money from the company or the app or the dealer to make a bigger trade. But with bigger price make bigger losses. How? For example, let's see if we don't have any leverages. Here we don't have any leverages. If we don't have any leverage, let's say leverage to 1, it means we don't have any leverage. When the price go to 50, we have 32 of our money. We have $32 of our money. And it's important, $38 of our money we have. But when the leverage happened here, let me put the leverage in 10, we must give money to the dealer. We are broke. Because of that, we can't use leverage. If we have leverage 10, we can only have less than 10% in what? We can have less than 10% in the, let's say in the what? In losing our money. We can only lose 10% of that. For example, let's say when we use leverage, the company is going to use our money for its loss of the price. If the price is go to, let's see, the leverage is 10 and we gave $100, the broker is going to buy $1,000 of the thing, and it's going to let me say the fee is 1.2. It's going to cost us $12, 10 times more the fee for buying the price, and the company is going to make his money out on 912. Why? Because the company doesn't, or the broker doesn't like to make anything lost in money, and it always like to make profit. Because of that, We can also only lose we can only lose less than 9% of our money. Let's go to chart. For example, if we buy here with leverage 10, we can only go down. Let's say with leverage 20, we can only go down. Let me change the timeline to 30 minutes. Okay, it's good. If we buy here, let's say buy here, we can only in leverage 10 lose money till here. Let's say we buy here, we know we make a lots of profit when the money go here. When the money go here, the price go here, we make a profit equal to 40% of our money. But the problem is that when the price come here, we became liquid and lose all of our money. In trading is winning or losing. We have nothing in the middle. And because of that, it's really dangerous. Tell me your opinion in the comments, and don't forget, it's my journey to trading, not a tutorial. We have the best tutorials in our channel. You can go and seek for Python, PowerPoint, and many things else. Don't forget to like and subscribe.